Good day everyone, this will be the best strategy trading expert option with almost profitable results. I got 100 over 90% of winnings than losses. Look at my trading result from March 29th to March 30th. It doubled my investment in trading. With just simple strategy that I used on trading. Just follow my strategy, then everything's works fine. Let's see our results for the main time. Interesting strategy and profitable. It works on any forex pair and also on any trading time. Just avoid trading with the news and study the market first before trading into real one. I also got my losing trade like this one. But we could easily recover it into winnings. Before we proceed, please like, subscribe and click the notification bell button to get the latest updates and strategies trading with Ultimate FX Tools indicators. If you are new trading with Expert Option, I have a video link on how to deposit in Expert Option in the description below. Also the installation of our strategy, the MetaTrader 4 and how to attach the indicators to the chart. Let us now start trading with the use of the MetaTrader 4. This is the MetaTrader 4 platform. As you can see, here is the list of indicators that I installed to the system. But we are only using Binary FX Pro set indicators, and the DreamX indicator. So the strategy is this. Let's take a look for the Binary FX Pro oscillator if it is on its highest resistance level. The DreamX line color indicator which generates an uptrend green line signals, and red line downtrend signals. Check for the Binary FX Pro bars, if it's on uptrend light blue color, and downtrend pink color. Our strategy must correspond to the Binary FX arrow. As you can see here, the oscillator reaches the highest resistance level, which means a higher chance for a trend reversal. But we have to wait for the DreamX indicator line to be on a red line or a downtrend, and the Binary FX Pro arrows to filter the possibility to change trend direction. See the whole video on how I trade with the use of the strategy.